Question number 6. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. I have to show that these two expressions are composite numbers. Why? I have to tell the reason also. See, I have to multiply these numbers. I am using here BODMAS rule, that's why. First I have to do the multiplication, then I have to do the addition. So multiply these values, you will get 1001 and add 13. So you will get 1014. See, this number end up with what? 4. So this number is definitely divisible by what? 2. So we can conclude that this number has more than 2 factors. That's why it is what? Composite number. That only I am going to write it here with the statement. See, 1014 has unit digit 4. So it is divisible by 2 definitely. So it has more than 2 factors. 2 factors. Therefore, this expression, that is 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13, is composite number. Okay, because every number has 2 factors. See why I am telling this one? It has more than 2 factors. Every number has 2 factors. Beyond that, if you are showing one more factor, then I can tell that it has more than 2 factors, therefore it is composite. See here, for example, I am taking 22. This number is already have 2 factors, that is 1 and a number itself, that is 22. More than that, I can tell this number is divisible by 2 and 11. Many factors I can show that. That's why it is what? Composite number. That only I have written here. Thank you. Come for this one. See, multiply these all the values. It will give you 5040 plus 5. So it will give you 5045. This number is end up with what? 5. So definitely this particular number is divisible by what? 5. Therefore it has more than 2 factors. Therefore it is composite number. That's all. So write it here. 5045 has unit digit 5. So it is divisible by 5. 5045 has more than 2 factors. Therefore 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 is composite number. See, any number you take, it has definitely 2 factors. One and number itself. One more factor if you found, then we can tell that it is what? Composite number. Here I found what? Another factor 5. Here what I found? Another factor 2. Therefore, it has more than 2 factors. Therefore, it is composite number. Thank you. Question number 7. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point, at the same time, and go in the same direction. After how many minutes they will meet again at the starting point? That is your question. Here Sonia takes 18 minutes to cover one round of the field. At the same time Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. They both are moving on the same direction, starting at the same point at the same time. So how much time they have taken to meet at the point? That's your question. So for that I have to take the LCM of these two numbers. LCM of 18 and 12. Find out. Anyway, any method you can use, a common division or any other method, prime factorization, whatever you want. See, divisible by 2, this is 9 times, this is how many times? 6 times. 9 and 6 can be divisible by 3, so 3 times, this is what? 2 times. Both are prime, so stop it. I have to find out the LCM. So LCM of 18 and 12 equal to 2 into 3, these are common factors. What are the uncommon factors? 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 into 2 into 3, that is 36 minutes. Okay. So how much time they have taken to meet? 36 minutes. At last we have to write the answer in statement. Both meet after 36 minutes. Thank you.